some awesome blueberry tarts. Vanilla pudding. For the pudding, we'll need 3 cups of cold milk into the pan. The pudding mix. Okay. This is kind of the base for the tarts. Toss that pudding mix inside. Medium-ish heat. You're gonna whisk it all up. Pretty much want to cook this until it becomes thick. You don't want to burn it. Kind of this constant stirring thing. Just waiting for the tart shells to soften up a little bit. We'll toss those in the oven, 375, 10 to 12 minutes. You want to mix it. Okay, so our pudding is starting to thicken. There's about 30 seconds left. Take it off and it should start to thicken up. See how thick it is? That's what you're looking for. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Take it off. Just gonna dump it into a bowl. So we're just gonna let this cool down, and as it gets cool, it gets thicker, and then we can put it in our tart shells once it cools down. Toss our tart shells in, 10 to 12 minutes. Check them in 10 minutes. Also gonna do a glaze with the tarts. After they're done in the oven, I'll show you that. The glaze, and then the pudding on top, and then the berries with the glaze. Show you that. Yeah, you have to put a little bit of saran wrap on top because when the pudding is cooling, it'll create a skin on there, and you don't want that. So yeah, so put it in the fridge. It shouldn't take too long to thaw, maybe like an hour or so. Tart shells done. Hey, these guys cool off, and we'll come back and make some tarts. And of course, I'll show you the glaze after, because I have to do the glaze. You can have to add the glaze when it's still a bit warm. All right, so there we go. Lovely. Fill our tarts up a bit. Blueberries on top. Yeah, just fill in the tarts with their pudding, like so. I guess in the summer I have this thing for tarts because all the berries are local, and yeah, it's perfect. So. I live in the Okanagan in British Columbia, Canada, so it's kind of wine country, and you have tons of local produce around, lots of blueberries. Fill those tart shells. Blueberries on top, like so. Look better with the glaze on top. All of them get berries on top, like so. Yes, you don't need to make tarts fancy. Just can be pretty simple, not hard. You can cheat and buy pudding, or you can make it just with some simple eggs. So the only thing is missing is some glaze. So we're gonna make some glaze now. Fire. Glaze. 100 grams of sugar in here. 300 grams of water. Okay. Sugar. So we're just dissolving the sugar. So that was 100 grams of sugar and 300 grams of water. A few drops of lemon juice. It's gonna wait till the sugar dissolves until it kind of comes to a boil. The sugar has come to a boil, so the sugar is dissolved. A teaspoon of gelatin. Toss the gelatin into a bowl. And a touch of water. And all you're doing is just stirring it up. Now, what we do is we're going to dissolve the gelatin into the pot. Like so. So grab a whisk, just like this. Whisk until it's dissolved. Now we're going to take our glaze. I'm putting it in. Usually you can do this cooling it off really fast in an ice bath. I noticed you can also do it with cold water. That works too. Cool this down. And it cooled down. Kind of a different glaze. I've never tried this before, so kind of brush the berries a bit. Yeah, it seems to be working. They're kind of shiny. That's kind of what you want. Kind of the idea behind the glaze is it has become a little more shinier. Never thought of using glaze with gelatin, so that's I've learned something there. That's pretty cool. Bit of sweetness for the berries. So. And after this, I'll show you some nice, lovely plating. Maybe call myself the tart master. Just a little bit of icing sugar on top. And some mint. So I'll go get some mint. There's some nice blueberry tarts. There you have it. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. See you next time.